Hi, good afternoon. Yeah, today we're gonna make some rice, some jasmine rice, with cilantro and lime. Cilantro rice. I have a secret ingredients I'm gonna add later on. I'm not gonna show you guys the secret ingredients. Later on, I'm gonna add it to the rice. Okay. I have some scallion here. I have a flake of garlic. I have an onion. Half onion. I have some cilantro. I have half a lemon. I'm gonna probably use half of it. I have some chicken cube. This is a powder one. And I have the peas and carrot. Okay. This is all the ingredients. Also a little bit. I'm gonna add salt. Add some salt. Okay. And that's the ingredients. I'm gonna cut up the onions. Smash the garlic. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna cut up a scallion. The scallion already cut. I'm going to cut up this. I don't want the stem part. I'm gonna throw these away. I just want the leafy part. If you allergic to cilantro, you can use parsley. Okay, I know a lot of people don't like cilantro. Okay, so we're making this. We're doing salmon and roast corn. Okay, guys, this is our dinner. Okay, making dinner for. Okay, all right, that's the cilantro. All right. Come back. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna add the water. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. Or one. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water to boil. Okay. I'll come back and show you guys. All right. Okay. Welcome back. This is what we use. I use this for 1 cup of water. I put it in there, and this same cup, my cup I measured 2 right. I'm gonna put about a half a teaspoon. This is Cajun seasoning, okay? I'm gonna season the water. Okay? That's Cajun seasoning in the water. I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper. Okay? I'm gonna do some chicken. Okay, give it a flavor. Okay, this much. Okay, like a half a teaspoon. Okay, give it flavor. Now we're gonna do some salt. Okay, season up the water. Throwing onion and garlic, scallion, cilantro, I'll put a little bit of oil. I got some olive oil. I'm gonna put the can of the beans. Okay. That's some small can. Okay. See it. Squeeze up the lime. Make sure you take a seed. Okay. Taste it. See how it tastes. Alright, get the lemon flavor. Alright, throw the rice in. Need a little more water to cover it. Like a half a more cup. Okay, that should do it. That should do it. Okay, I'm gonna turn this down and put the cover on. Come back, show you guys. Okay. Very simple rice. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna cover this, I'm gonna let this cook and I'll come back and show you guys, okay? And come back, add a little more water to it. Get in there. So let's put on less water, okay, you can always add a little water. Okay. Add a little more water. If you add too much, you can't take it out. So it's good to add a little less. Okay. This rice smells amazing already. Just gonna put this fire paper on top to trap all the steam inside. Okay, that should do it. Come back and show you guys. Okay, now we're gonna season the salmon. Okay, I'm gonna put a little olive oil. We're making the rice that is on the stove. That's the olive oil. I'm gonna put some black pepper. Okay. Gonna put chipotle. Alright, if you guys can see, try this. Okay, a little bit of that chipotle powder. Okay, see, okay, not even that much. Alright, that much. Okay, now we're gonna put smoked paprika. Okay, smoked paprika with a nice smoky flavor. Alright, and then we have chili powder. Okay, add a little bit of chili powder. Alright, a little bit of that, add a little bit of salt, and then we're going to go with some Cajun seasoning. Gonna have some Cajun seasoning. Okay, I'll say about a teaspoon. Okay, nice Cajun seasoning. Okay, and let me see if I have anything else I want to put in. Maple seasoning. I'll probably do smokehouse maple. Okay, see that, guys? Yeah, here you go. Smokehouse, okay? We'll put a little bit of that. Give it a nice. Okay. Alright. Let this work. Grill it, okay? And once you grill it, we're gonna season on it again. Okay, guys? We have the rice cooking, we have the corn. We're gonna do corn too. Okay. Show you guys that. It's like, yeah, like 10 more minutes. Alright, I'm gonna put the cover back on, like steam a little 10 more minutes, okay? Alright, the rice finished. The rice pretty. Okay. You have good rice. That's the rice we just make. Looking pretty. Okay. Gonna do some salmon later with some corn. Here's the corn. We're gonna grill it. We have it with butter, salt and pepper. And this is the jasmine rice. Okay, that we make. Okay, nice. Okay, see that? Beautiful. Okay, just finish off with the stove. Okay, it's very hot. Cilantro rice with Cajun seasoning. Okay, very good. Okay, that's beautiful rice we just make. I'm gonna make this. Okay, all right, we're gonna do the salmon in a few minutes and the corn. Okay, season some corn. We're gonna put it on the grill. Okay, and we're gonna add some season to it. I get let me see what I can use. I'm gonna use maple barbecue. Okay, you guys can see this maple barbecue. All right, I'm gonna sprinkle some seasoning on it. All right, like this. Okay, guys, the salt and pepper. Okay, the grill is getting hot. Gonna put some butter on it. We have put it in the we boil it for a few minutes. Okay, it's a little bit of salt and a little bit of water in the water. Okay, that way it can easy to grill on the grill. Okay, I'm gonna grill mark this. Okay, I'm gonna put some smoked paprika. I will let us smoke paprika here. I see smoked paprika. I'm gonna sprinkle it. Okay. Then marinate in this all this stuff. Okay. We're gonna toss it over here. Pour some butter on it. Okay guys, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna finish this off. I'm gonna show you the finish, okay? Pour on outside. Put some oil. Salt and pepper. See, I do the rice and get the corn. Yeah. That's my dinner for later. Alright, I'm going to turn this now. Wow. Beautiful fish salmon mark. Take a little oil. Put some lemon juice in it. Just gonna squeeze a little lime. Alright, that looks delicious. I'm gonna turn it off. This one is finished. I'm gonna take this one off. Nice. I'm gonna let that one cook a little bit more. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Okay. You guys see what we did today. Alright, thank you guys. Alright, gonna play this off. I want it to break up. Alright, see you guys. They have a nice piece of salmon with this grill. Okay, alright, I'll come back and show you play this off. Beautiful salmon, grilled corn,